Today my video guide will provide you with instructions on how to get rid of the ransomware called Starmoon. In this video guide, you'll find the demonstration of what exactly this ransomware does with the files and how exactly this ransomware affects the files. So before the ransomware actually attacks the files, customers are able to open their data without any problems at all, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office and other information. But the point is that because of certain existing vulnerabilities in the security of your computer or other computers, this particular Starmoon ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. And then pretty soon people realize that something bad has happened and that they cannot use their files anymore because the ransomware has encrypted and damaged these files. And it is not possible to use these files anymore. The purpose of any ransomware, including this Starmoon, is not only to encrypt the files, but to demand from its victims to pay the ransom for file restoration. And then, after the malicious job is done, the ransomware, as I said, encrypts the files, and it is not possible to use the files anymore. The ransomware adds a special unique identifier, then some email address, and then some extension. For instance, in my case, the extension is KTNM, but I believe that it could be a random extension, it could be different extension in some other cases. The ransomware also places this ransomware note mentioning that all your files have been encrypted and that you need to pay the ransom for file restoration. The ransomware is called Starmoon because it quotes this special email address, starmoon@my.com, and some other email address for contacting the developers for decryption guidelines. As I said, the developers of this ransomware will tell the victims to pay the ransom for file recovery, but there is no point to pay the ransom because this does not guarantee that the files would be restored. We first of all recommend you to go to the task manager, and in case you find any suspicious processes running in the background, you need to terminate them. This might help you stop the further file encryption. Considering removing this ransomware, we recommend you to use a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. To download it, you will need to use Internet Explorer browser because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts may also be modified. So go to the page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Use this green download button to download Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Install the software and start researching your system. The program is initially in the trial mode. Only the quick scan option is available in this mode. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is of course crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware, including this Starmoon ransomware. So you might need to wait some time until the anti-malware database is properly updated. So, after the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, the program will begin scanning and researching your computer. Combo Cleaner works very well in terms of detecting and deleting the majority of ransomware type threats, adware, browser hijackers, fake system optimization tools, and other kinds of malware. The feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware helps you to add certain folders on the system, and the contents of these folders will always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning is completed. The scanning itself might take several minutes depending on how infected your computer is, and also depending on how many drives are connected to your computer. Then at the end of this scanning, of course, you will see the summary of all the threats which were revealed, and you'll be able to know their locations, you'll be able to know the names of these threats. We strongly advise that you upgrade to Premium to remove all these threats altogether and automatically.